It's me, Blue. So Halloween is coming up, and I'm gonna do something that no one else would do tonight. I'm going on a haunted hayride! Woo! And for those of you who know me, you know that I am not the type of person who wants to go on the horror things and people jump out and they're like, ah! So, this is gonna be scary. Hopefully you'll see me next video. On that cheerful note, I let you guys choose the video this time, and the people have spoken. And you guys wanted to do a Halloween trick-or-treat bag, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to make a spiderweb Halloween trick-or-treat bag. Let's get started. First you'll need just a brown paper bag, some scary critters, spiders, but there's a centipede in here, electric tape, glitter and Mod Podge, sponge, brush, glue, scissors. So the first and most important thing we're going to do is make the spider web. So start by cutting your electric tape into long strips. Now we're going to work on the actual web. So take 3 strips of the tape you just cut, put them in the corner and let them fan out all across your bag. Trim if necessary. Use V shapes to create the center of your web. You know when you go outside in the morning and you see a spider web that's twinkling with morning dew? Well, that's what we're gonna make, and it's my secret way of adding glitter to this thing, because you know I have to add glitter. So the next step is to be adding Mod Podge and glitter together and putting it onto your bag. The final step is to pick your critter and glue it on. A pig? No, I'm gonna pick the spider because that makes the most sense. Most of the supplies you could probably find at a dollar store. I found a bag of critters at my local dollar store, but if you can't find some, you can always get one of those spider rings and just cut the ring off. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your spooky friends. Bye. It's a one-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eater.